Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be talking to you about my best luxury purchase of 2021. I'm going to be talking to you guys about which one of all of the things that I got this year is my favorite and why. Now that I've had a few months to kind of test out, try it out, I have some more opinions for you guys. So yeah, that's what today is going to be all about. Before we get into that, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But if you want to see my best luxury purchase of 2021, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so I have my favorite luxury purchase of this year for you guys that I am going to show you and just give you some reasons on why this is my favorite and kind of give you a little bit of a review of the product, because I did make a video unboxing this, but I didn't have really like much of an opinion on how to use it, like what really fits inside, all of that, because I did unbox it brand new for you guys. Now that I've had this bag for 3 months now, a little bit more than that, I have some opinions because I've been using this bag like crazy, literally any chance I get. I've kind of neglected my other two bags because this one is like all I think about. The bag that I am talking about is the Palm Springs mini backpack from Louis Vuitton. This is hands down my favorite backpack that I own right now. This bag literally has been my go-to every single weekend and every single chance that I get to use a bag. I always reach for this first of both of my other bags. That may have to do with the fact that this is my most casual designer bag that I own. I own one from YSL and another one from Louis Vuitton that are a little bit more on like the dressy side. You guys can go check out all of those videos for my unboxings because I did do an unboxing for each of those bags and for my small leather goods, but this hands down has to be my most used and just my most loved bag that I have. I just love it. Literally, I love to dress this down. I love to dress this up. You can wear this so many ways. It's insane how versatile this bag is. Like, I mostly like to use this like this. I clip one side of the strap on one little hole up here and then the other strap in the other one over here. And I like to wear it kind of like a shoulder bag like this, or sometimes I'll do it crossbody. So that's my favorite way to wear it. I have done it like a backpack as well. And I keep the other little strap in here just in case I decide I want to switch things up when I'm out somewhere for whatever reason. You do this so many ways. There's two more of these little holes down here as well. So you can even strap like one up here, one down here, and you can wear it kind of like a bum bag. You could do it so many different ways. It's ridiculous. So there's just so much that you can style this with as well, which is why I love it so much. Like my other two bags, there's only so many things that you could do with them. And of course, while I do love them, this one is just so much more easy to get in and out of, to use, to wear, to everything. And I just love like the monogram pattern on it too, because it does give it a little bit more of a casual feel while still feeling like a little bit dressy. So I absolutely love that. The only thing I don't like about this bag is this random little pouch down here that you absolutely cannot fit anything into. If you can fit anything in there and you have this bag, props to you. But I don't even want to try it because I don't want to mess this bag up. I paid way too much money to be tearing it apart to get this little pouch open. It's first of all so hard to unzip and zip, and it's so hard to even get anything in here in the first place. So I was like, I am not even going to mess with this. This, on the other hand, is so easy to zip and unzip. It does have like a little pull to it though, which I do like, because if you like have this on your back, nobody's gonna get into this and like try to steal your stuff without you feeling like somebody's opening your bag. So I do love that. But of course, it's also easy enough to get in and out of. And on the inside here is just one big open space. I haven't gotten an organizer yet for this bag, but I do definitely feel like I want to, just to keep myself a little bit more organized and to help kind of keep the shape of the bag. I feel like it is holding up pretty well shape-wise, but my problem is that I don't like stuff it. So I could already see like on the sides here that it's starting to like cave in a little bit. So I think I just need to stuff it with like tissue paper or a pillow or something so that I make sure that it's not losing its shape. But it's so pretty, you guys, and so much fits in here. Do not underestimate this bag because it seems tiny, and I've gotten made fun of so many times by my loved ones because this bag is so teeny tiny. And everyone says like nothing can fit in here, but actually so much can fit in here. Like you could fit your wallet, your makeup, your perfumes, your water bottles, like so much fits in here. Like a bigger wallet fits in here too. So it's not small. Like for a purse, if you're not like a big never full kind of person or like a duffel bag carrier, this is more than enough room. I'm typically like a small purse kind of person. I usually just carry the bare minimum with me because I don't need that much stuff when I'm going somewhere. So this is like the perfect size for me, and it's almost like more than enough for me because I feel like I don't have that much in here on a day-to-day basis. Like I'll typically keep this, which is like my little zippy pouch, and I'll do like a lipstick or a lip gloss. I'll put like a mini deodorant or something, a little perfume, and I'm good to go. Like I really don't need that much to carry around with me when I'm going places. So this is more than enough room for me, but you could fit a lot. So on that aspect, it's freaking amazing. Again, so easy to get in and out of, minus this pointless little pouch on the bottom here. This, I also love to carry it around like this, like when I don't feel like putting the strap around my shoulder, I'll just like carry it in my hand like this, and it's so comfortable. I also think this is pointless because I know this little loop is supposed to be for like a scarf or something. I'm not a scarf person, and I like to keep things minimalistic, so I don't use this for anything, but I feel like it is a cute little detail, a cute little touch, so I don't mind it at the same time, but I don't use it. So I feel like these two things I could go without, but I feel like they just like make the bag what it is at the same time. Like this aesthetic is just everything. So I love it. The strap is so comfortable. It is thin, which I love. I don't like thick backpack straps, but this is like the perfect width. It's the perfect length. I love that you could adjust the length too if you're taller than me, if you're shorter than me. It just works for so many people, and it's so comfortable to wear. Like I've never like had this on my shoulder for a long amount of time and I'm like, oh, that doesn't feel good. Like how it is with some other bags sometimes. It's very comfortable to wear. And I also feel like this is very sturdy of a bag too. Like I really am not careful with this. I know I've had this bag for only like 3 months, but I don't baby this bag at all. Like I'm not a careful person typically, which I know may not be the best thing. So this has been through some wear, I would say, and there is not a single scratch on it. Literally not a single thing. And I plan to keep it that way. So it's very sturdy. It's very tough. So you are getting your money's worth. Again, this is a little bit more on the expensive side. I paid, I believe, $2,300 with tax. So that was before the price increase this year. So I literally got it maybe like a week before the price increase. I got so lucky, but it is a little bit expensive, but I think it's so worth it. Like literally for something that you're able to use every single day and something that you're able to wear so many different ways, it's so worth the money. Like when I first heard that it was gonna be $2,300, I'm like, that's a lot. That's a lot of money for a little backpack. Like, am I really gonna use a little backpack that much? Like, for a purse, I understand, but I'm like, a backpack, really? But again, this is my most used bag. I've gotten so much use out of it for the money that I paid that I don't even feel bad about it. I'm like, take that $2,300 because this is so worth it. I'm not kidding you guys. If you've been thinking about this bag, get it. It's so worth it. You are not going to be disappointed in it. It's just so good for everything. I like mini backpacks. I've never been one to use them like on a day-to-day basis. Like I have one other little mini backpack. It's not like a luxury bag or anything like that, but I would just carry it around when I would travel and stuff. But this I literally use like a purse because there's so many ways that you could wear it. So it's just so good and so versatile. I think anyone would love this bag, even if you're not a backpack person. It doesn't even feel like a backpack because I mostly wear it like this. It's more like a purse to me, and it looks so, so cute. I've had so many people tell me when I first got it that they thought it was gonna suck. And then when they saw me wearing it and like the way that I would pair it with outfits and everything, that it's actually so cute. So it grows on you, I'm telling you. And it's so good. It's so cute. It's bigger than it looks. And I really do use this more than any of my other bags. Like my other two bags that I have, it's like a YSL envelope bag, like a medium one. And then I have a Louis Vuitton Pochette Felicie. Those two I more so use for like a little bit more special occasions, but this literally every weekend I use. Obviously during the week when I'm working and stuff, I have like my regular bag that I don't care if I like wear it and tear it because I do. So this, anytime I'm not working, anytime I'm going anywhere else, this is the one that I grab for, and I'm just so in love with it. Like literally every time I wear it, I'm like, I love you so much. So it's so worth it. Honestly, if you've been thinking about this, get your hands on it. And really don't let the sold out thing on the Louis Vuitton website get you down, because I was stalking the website like crazy for the longest, and I called customer service many times, and I was able to get it because I asked the customer service line if they had any available, and they did have one. So I ended up ordering it through the customer service rep. So try different ways to get the bags, but this is so worth it. Again, hands down my best purchase of the year. So worth the money. I'm so happy with it. I'm so in love with it. It's literally like my little baby. So this was 2021's absolute best purchase. I hope I covered everything that I love about this. If I forgot anything that you guys were curious about though, comment and let me know, because I don't want to forget any kind of questions that you guys might have about this if you're interested in getting the same bag, because I researched like crazy before I got this to make sure it was going to be worth it, and I'm really glad I did. So just give me your questions and I'll answer to the best of my ability. But so worth it, and I'm so excited to see what 2022 brings me. I'm hoping it brings me a few more bags, and we will see what my favorite of this next year ends up being. But I have a feeling that this is gonna be my baby for a long time. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I had fun filming this. I love this bag so much, so of course I wanted to let you guys in on why I love it. So yeah, that's it. Again, comment, let me know your thoughts. Ask me whatever questions you guys have. Just say hello. Give this video a thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.